Jersey Shore.
Ow, my head! Why did I just fly forward?
Snooki flies forward in her car as she slams on the brake to stop for JWoww because of Newton's first law. The law states that without a net force, an object in motion will stay in motion. She wants to stay going forward even after she steps on the brake because her car is already in motion and does not want to stop.
I have the best idea.
What?
Let's go to Jersey Shore! Woo!
Jersey Shore. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Pump your fist and pound the floor. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Pump your fist and make some noise.
Ha! We bout to party, go crazy, take the club to the street. The shirt.
What just happened? My hair's nowhere near being done. Why?
The hairdryers, straighteners, and curlers all shut off at once because the current is too high. This is a parallel circuit, so when more resistors are being added, there are more paths for the electrons to travel on, which increases the current. Therefore, the voltage amount is increased, and the circuit shuts off for the safety of Snooki and JWoww.
Oh my god!
The girls need to flip the switch on the circuit breaker in order for the power to work again.
I'm getting stuck in the grass. This is not gonna work. Oh my god, they're stuck.
Now we look perfect!
Jersey Shore. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Pump your fist and pound the floor. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Pump your fist and make some noise.
Ha! We bout to party, go crazy, take the club to the street. The shirt before the shirt, the GTL with MVP.
The small area of JWoww's heels caused her to sink into the grass, while the larger area of Snooki's heels allowed her to walk on the grass without sinking in. The pressure is caused by the amount of force over the area. With a greater amount of force and a smaller area, the pressure exerted is greater. When the area is greater, the pressure is less because it is an inverse relationship.
Ow, ow! Wow. Oh my god, I think I broke my hand. Oh my god!
Snooki's hand and JWoww's face hurt after the punch because of Newton's third law. The law states that for every force there is an equal and opposite force. Snooki's hand exerts the same amount of force on JWoww's face as JWoww's face exerts on Snooki's hand. If JWoww doesn't want her face to hurt after being hit, she should ride with the punch to increase the impact time and decrease the amount of force.
Jersey Shore. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Pump your fist and pound the floor. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Pump your fist and make some noise.
Why do I have to put my foot on the gas when I'm going down a hill?
I don't know.
Snooki doesn't need to put her foot on the gas when she goes down a hill because of the law of conservation of energy. Energy is neither created or destroyed, so the gravitational potential energy is converted to kinetic energy as the girls move down the hill. We can set these two equations equal to each other because the amount of energy will always stay the same. Now we can solve for the velocity as the girls are driving down the hill. The velocity turns out to be 14 meters per second.
Oh my god, we've arrived! Jersey Shore!
Oh my god!
Look how clean it is. Oh wow.
It's beautiful.
It's gonna be so fun.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so messy in here. I can't even walk around. Why is this?
I'm in messy.
Oh my god. There's stuff everywhere.
The girls' room gets messier the longer that they are in Jersey Shore because of entropy, which is the tendency for all matter to evolve towards a state of disorder. As things become messier in the room, the amount of entropy increases. Therefore, since both Snooki and JWoww's things are all over and no one is cleaning it up, the entropy of the room has increased since they first arrived.
It's all your fault. I don't know what you're doing in here, making a room all messy and stuff.
No,
but it is not
it's
okay.
not.
Yes. Ah! Ha! Guess what?
Ow!
My face doesn't even hurt. You want to know why?
Why?
JWoww's face doesn't hurt after Snooki punches her this time because of the decreased impact force. Since JWoww learned to ride with the punch, she increased the impact time. Since the time that Snooki's hand is coming towards JWoww's face is longer, the force becomes smaller. Force and time are directly proportional, so if the time is increased, the amount of force is decreased.
Go, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you.
Snooki and JWoww can't hear the music in certain spots around the pool because of constructive and destructive interference of the sound waves. The sound waves are being created by the two cell phone speakers. At point C, the two crests of the waves combine to create a larger amplitude, creating a larger volume. At point B, the two troughs are combining to create a smaller amplitude, creating a lower volume. At point A, there is an interference between the crest and the trough, which creates an amplitude of 0. Causing Snooki and JWoww not to be able to hear the music.
Oh my god, I just thought of the best idea.
What?
We should totally jump off the roof.
Wow,
into the
you're
pool.
fast. That was
That
9
might
meters
kill
long,
me.
and you ran
I don't know. According to my calculations, I think it would be around 15 meters high.
How tall is this building?
Alright, so I think we have to travel about 6 meters to make it in.
Well, let's do some calculations.
I like this right here. Right here. Oh.
The fastest velocity that Snooki can travel is 3 meters per second. The girls calculated that the vertical displacement of the roof was 15 meters, and that the horizontal displacement from the bottom of the roof to the pool was 6 meters. By using this equation, we can calculate the amount of time that Snooki and JWoww will be airborne when they jump off the roof. Since there is no initial velocity, that part of the equation becomes 0. By plugging and chugging, we can find out that the time the girls will be airborne is 1.7 seconds. By using this equation, we can solve for the minimum velocity that the girls must be running to make it from the roof into the pool. With plugging and chugging, we can find out that the slowest they can run is 3.5 meters per second. This is faster than the maximum velocity that they can run. Looks like I'm going to have to break it to the girls that jumping off the roof into the pool is not a good idea.
Jersey Shore. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore. It's a party at the Jersey Shore. Pump your fist.